Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today with a quick video. I just want to show you a few ways how we styled up Cam's last hairstyle. If you haven't seen the tutorial for this one, you can check it out. I'll make sure to list it down below, but I just wanted to show you a few ways that you can style up this mohawk. You know, you don't have to wear it the same way every day, so I'm just here showing you the styles just in case you didn't see it before. And yeah, this is her last style that I did on her hair, and she absolutely loved it. So what I would say is that the first way you could style this is just to leave it as it is right now, but to jazz it up a bit, what you can do is to go ahead and just to create a bun at the front section. Now you can do this if you want a more messy bun, if you want a more spirally looking bun as I'm doing, if you want just a very basic bun, any type of bun that you want to do would look very cute here, and you can leave the rest of the back down if you would like, but I think that looks very cute. So another way that you can style up this beautiful style that we have here is that you can braid it back. So it's in a mohawk style, as you can see, and you can just braid it as I'm doing here. I'm just making sure that it's pretty loose because I don't want to, you know, being that we're doing several things, I don't really want to cause any discomfort to her hair. So I'm just braiding it back, as you can see. And you can do any kind of braid, again, just a simple braid, Dutch braid, whatever you want to do, you can do it. It would look very nice. And in the first instance, what I'm gonna do is to just braid this to this section right here, as you can see. So I'll stop the braid right there and just put on a band to secure it, and you can just easily leave it like this. I think it looks really nice. It gives it a different look. It's very cute. And again, this is another one that she really likes, and I love how it looks with the braid started to the front. So you can leave it like this, or what you can do is you can continue that braid and just go right down and just have one big braid, which I think looks very nice as well. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just finishing braiding this up. Again, I'm just doing it very loosely for the purpose of the video. I don't want, you know, to cause any tension on her hair. And yeah, again, any kind of braid that you want. So you can also put the elastic band right at this point, or you can continue to braid it right down to the end if you would like. Either way would look pretty nice. But what you can do is to add like some hair accessories along the braid. That would look really cool as well. And then once I get to the bottom, I'm just gonna add the elastic band there, and again at that end you can add some like decorative ribbon, anything you want to just jazz it up a bit. And yeah, you can tell that she really likes this one as well. Now the next way I'm going to style this up is, now I'm going to braid from the very back, and I'm going to go up towards the front of her hair. I like to do these kinds of styles like when she has like days of sport. It helps to keep the hair up, keep it out of the way, you know, when she has PE or anything like that, and it looks cute as well. So we're just gonna braid it up, and I find she tends to like her hair up as well, so it's nice that you can also do this variation as well. And I just braided it to that point, and I'm going to put on the elastic band right there. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave a few of the plaits out at the front, just to frame her face, and then that little section that's left, I'm gonna braid that towards the middle to meet the other section that has already been braided. So once that section has been completed, I'm just going to gather the two sections together, and yeah, use an elastic band and just, you know, create one ponytail, so to speak. And again, this is very versatile because you could leave that ponytail just hanging if that's what you want to do. It looks nice that way. It really showcases the twist, and you get to see, you know, the detail on the style. Or you can do like what I'm doing right now and just twist it up to secure it, and you can put the elastic band to the end if you would like. And after doing that, what I'm going to do now is to just create another bun. And I like when you have a twisted bun. It is so cute. I just love it. I just love how it looks. So yeah, you can do it that way and have that bun right there. Or what you can do is you can also take the hair, and what I'm just gonna do is to now, instead of having it twisted, I'm going to braid it. I'll braid it right down, as you can see that I'm doing here right now. And then what I'm gonna do once I'm finished and it's all secured at the end, yeah, I'm just gonna bend it and tuck it under. Make sure the ends aren't showing. And then I think that is really cute as well. It just creates like this hang at the back. And if you want, you can pin it to secure it to the other middle section there. But it looks really nice. And again, you can jazz up all of these styles with your favorite accessories. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and thank you so much.